I don't even know if this is working, but I'm using my GoPro. I bought this such a long time ago, but I never use it. The last time that I used it, I wish I saved the footage. I don't know why I just deleted it. I was kayaking and my paddle broke. I had only half of a paddle. The other half of it floated away and sunk to the bottom of the Hudson River. And I had to paddle against the Hudson River. And if you've never paddled in the Hudson River, it's not easy. The current is really strong and I had to paddle with just one half of a paddle. You could hear me like yelping in the background. It wasn't interesting footage, but it was interesting commentary. So I guess that's why I deleted it. But why can't I see myself now? What? So anyway, I wanted to try recording on this just so I could see what it looks like. But if you're watching this, I am officially monetized on YouTube. That's crazy. It's been so long. Like I've been on YouTube for 5 years and I only started really taking it seriously in the past 2 years and like really taking it seriously in the past couple of months. I am so grateful. I'm so happy that you're here. If you are a longtime subscriber, like I know that there are so many of you who have been here from the absolute beginning, from the pink background stages of this journey. Maybe you just found my channel recently. Maybe you came here from Instagram or from wherever that you came from. But I am so grateful that you helped me get to this point. If you are not up to speed, I am currently not working. I lost my job at the beginning of the year and I made it a point to seriously take this journey seriously. And I've been making videos consistently, even these random talking head videos of me just yapping. But I've been trying so hard for so long to stay consistent with my YouTube journey. And it has obviously paid off because I finally got monetized. If you are someone who has been on this journey of trying to get monetized, it is not for the weak. I have been working at it for 2 years. I was really losing steam, even in the last month or so, because I felt like I was never going to get there. One of the videos that really picked up, that happened so long ago, and all of my other videos have not been doing as well as that one video. And I was losing all the watch hours every single day. I would literally watch it go up and down, and I would be so close to hitting my 4,000 watch hours and then it would just be gone. But then in the last couple of days, people have really showed up and have watched my videos because I literally just asked, I'm like, hey, if you could just throw this on, just watch one of my videos. And I'm so grateful for my community that I have found online and how people have showed up for me in ways that have brought me to this point. Like, I can't believe it. And I think it's just because you have to ask. Like, whenever you need help, you just need to ask. And you'll be surprised who's going to show up for you and who's going to help you. I don't know. I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to keep making more videos. I just filmed a beginner combo series. If you haven't checked any of those out, be sure to check them out, especially if you are a hooper. I think I'm just coming on here to just say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being part of my journey. Thank you for being part of this new journey that I am embarking on, which is making more consistent YouTube videos. And to be monetized is just like the beginning. The journey to get here has been so fun, but to see money, like to get that bag, is even more fun. And I'm really grateful. And I don't want to skimp out on any of the quality of these videos. I try to keep it low key anyway, but I think that being more consistent and showing up and making more videos and putting just a little bit more effort in has really made a really big difference. So I just want to continue doing that. I want to try different cameras. Obviously, I'm using my GoPro here today, so I want to see how that all turns out. I guess that's it. I just want to say thank you. I'm so excited. I'm having such a really great day. Hooping for like 2 hours straight of me just like creating combos really makes me so happy. And the sun just came out and it's just going to be just an amazing day. So thank you so much for being here. If you just randomly found this video, be sure to subscribe, especially if you are a beginner or intermediate hooper, or if you want to just see more videos like this. I am very much into wellness and fitness and just being healthy and just trying to be a better person as a whole. And hopefully being a better person will contribute to making the world a little bit of a better place. All right. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Bye.